These braids are 5 weeks old. I have kept braids longer than this, and every time I decide to take them out, people are always like, swirly, so looks clean and neat. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the tips I use to keep my braids looking neat, clean, without washing, of course, and without any smell too. 5 weeks may seem not long enough in other countries, but trust me, here in Cameroon, 5 weeks is a long time. I guess that is why we don't have edges. Before we get into the tips, I want us to understand that for these tips to work, you need to get a braider who tries as much as possible to cover your hair. This helps reduce the amount of frizz you get at the end of the day. On a daily basis, I use my hair juice. Hope you remember it. 70% of water, 20% aloe vera juice, and 5% oil. Shake well and spray. This helps keep your hair looking moisturized. Next thing I do is apply oil to my edges. I may be messing up my edges with these braids, but I'm going to try as much as possible to save what is savable. So I'm still going to apply oil to my edges while I have these braids on. And do not forget to massage it. Do not forget to massage the oil in. We are not going to talk about the benefits of massaging your scalp today again. We are not going to do that. I get that it is easy to just slap your bonnet on at night and go to bed, but keep that for the days you are too drunk to think about your hair. What you should use instead is a head tie. A scarf, yes. My problem with the bonnet is that it gives too much space for the braids to move while you're sleeping and create friction while rubbing one against the other. That's what happens, and you get too much frizz at the end of the day. The head tie, on the other hand, does not give space for any movement while you sleep. So go for the head tie. I do not only use the head tie to protect my hair, but I also use it to cover the braiding hair to stop it from becoming too frizzy. Thank God for videos. Thank God for videos, because at this point, I do not have enough grammar in my mouth to explain what I am doing. For those who do not know, English is my second official language. I grew up speaking French in school. But even before the French, there was Ngombale and Yemba languages from the Bamileke tribe of my country. So, I hope you are able to understand what I am doing here. I am basically just taking advantage of the two pieces I got from folding the head tie to cover the braiding hair. Everything looks well secured now. No movement allowed. If you sleep on your back, it might be a problem, but it is not a problem for me. Every 2 weeks, I clean my braids. What I need is a bowl of warm water, shampoo. I add the shampoo to the water like that. Then I use a piece of cloth that I dip in the water, squeeze. I do not squeeze it too much. Because there has to be shampoo on the piece of cloth to actually wash the scalp, to actually clean the scalp. So I do not squeeze the water out completely. I go on to scrub my scalp and remove as much dirt as I can. Of course, it's never going to be like the hair I washed, but it keeps it clean to a certain level. That is what I want to achieve here. Keep my hair as clean as possible without washing it. We all do this thing where we scratch our scalp to determine if it is dirty or not. Well, I do that here too. When I scratch and I realize that there's nothing under my nails, I know I am good to go. But when I scratch and I realize there's something under my nails, like now, I keep cleaning that spot. That is how you know if you're actually cleaning your hair or not. After that, I go ahead to try to clean the length of the braids. I try to wipe any dirt off I know this is not doing anything, but it just helped me feel better about my hair to know that I have tried to wipe the dirt off. After that, I go in again with just plain warm water. I use it to clean my scalp, to remove any shampoo residue I may have left while washing, while cleaning with the shampoo. I hope it makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. I just wipe any excess product off. I normally do not put any oil on my scalp, but that shampoo I just used just makes me want to use oil to stop my hair from drying out from the use of that shampoo. I apply oil to all my head. If you are still here, you have not subscribed and you have not liked the video, I do not know. I really do not know what you still need to subscribe. The next step is a blow dryer. I use it on medium heat, medium airflow. It is true I use it to dry my hair, but the main reason is to remove any smell. I refuse to walk around with smelly braids. I am not doing that. I got this tip from my mom. I peed in bed when I was a child, and my mom would use the sun to dry the mattress but also remove the smell from it. I figured out it might work for my hair, and guess what? It does work. It does work. The heat from the sun works differently, so you may want to free your braids after this. Let the sun touch it. I was not sure about adding this part, but I said to myself, if I'm doing something, let me just do it. Let me just give all the juice at once. When my ends start looking raggedy like this, what I do is I put it back into hot water, into hot water. That is all I have for you in this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you find it helpful. So, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Take care. Bye.